Hey everyone, today's recipe is a delicious dinner recipe. It's my baked chicken and creamy garlic sauce. This is super easy to make and it tastes so delicious, and it's perfect for a weeknight or a weekend, and you can serve this with mashed potatoes, rice, or your favorite side dish. So let's get started. For the chicken, you're gonna need 4 chicken thighs that's bone in, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and salt and pepper to taste. And for the creamy garlic sauce, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 onion that's diced, 4 garlic cloves that's sliced, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of chicken stock, half cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, and salt and pepper to taste, and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Start by seasoning the chicken. So in a bowl of 4 chicken thighs, pour in the olive oil and add in the seasonings. Mix till the chicken is coated really well. And let the chicken rest in the marinade for 10 to 15 minutes. Now head over to the stove and place the oven-safe pan on medium heat and pour in olive oil. Once the oil is heated, add in the chicken and brown the chicken on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, if you don't have an oven-safe pan, you can make this in the pan and then transfer it into an oven-safe pan before baking. Once the chicken is browned, remove and transfer to a plate. In the same pan, add in the butter and let it melt. Add in the diced onion and garlic and saute till the onions become translucent. Then add in the flour and mix it in with the onion and garlic and cook for about a minute. Pour in the chicken stock and continue stirring till the mixture thickens. Once the mixture is thickened, it's time to pour in the heavy cream and the milk. Give this a quick stir to combine. Next, add in the seasoning and the Parmesan cheese and stir to combine. Place the browned chicken into the sauce. Make sure to add the chicken juice from the plate as well, and coat the chicken with the sauce. Bake this at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. And the baked chicken and creamy garlic sauce is ready to enjoy. You can serve this over some rice, mashed potatoes, or your favorite side dishes. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!